Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a look at the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum, a compact yet powerful cordless cleaner designed to tackle pet hair and other messes around your home and car. With its versatile features and user-friendly design, this vacuum is built for those looking for portability, strong suction, and effective cleaning performance in tight spaces. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. First off, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster is powered by a 20-volt max of Shacks lithium-ion battery, offering a solid combination of power and performance. The battery gives you enough juice for efficient cleaning, making it a great option for those quick cleanups, especially in homes with pets. The vacuum's Power Boost mode gives an extra boost of suction at the push of a button, which is perfect for tackling those tricky spots like embedded pet hair or heavier debris. And yes, it works wonders on pet hair. More on that in a minute. When it comes to tackling various cleaning tasks, this vacuum doesn't disappoint. It comes with an XL extendable crevice tool designed to help you reach tight spaces. Think between your couch cushions, behind furniture, or even under the car seats. This tool makes the Dustbuster much more versatile than your average handheld vacuum, letting you access those hard-to-reach corners without straining your back or constantly changing positions. Now, let's talk about the anti-tangle motorized pet brush. If you have pets, you know how tricky it can be to remove stubborn pet hair, especially when it gets stuck in the brush roll. BLACK+DECKER's rubber bristles work wonders here, lifting pet hair without tangling, making cleanup easier and more efficient. Whether it's on your couch or car upholstery, this feature does a solid job of grabbing those hairs and sucking them up with ease. One of the standout features here is the one-touch easy empty system. Instead of fumbling with messy dust cups, you can simply press a button to empty the debris without ever touching the dust bowl. It's a small but convenient feature that really enhances the overall user experience, keeping things hygienic and hassle-free. The vacuum's design is compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, making it perfect for quick, on-the-go cleaning sessions. Whether it's a spill on your kitchen floor or crumbs in the car, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster's size allows you to clean without feeling weighed down. Plus, the rechargeable aspect means you don't have to deal with cords, making it even more portable and convenient for car cleanups. Maintaining the vacuum is simple as well, thanks to its washable pre-filter and main filter. This is especially useful for long-term performance, keeping suction power high and maintenance costs low. And given how easy it is to clean and maintain, this handheld vacuum could be an excellent addition to your regular cleaning routine. Now, I'll take a moment to mention some practical real-world testing. In terms of suction power, this vacuum definitely holds its ground, especially with the Power Boost mode. On hard floors, it picks up fine dust and larger debris without an issue, and it's similarly effective on rugs, though the suction might drop a bit when you move to thicker pile carpets. The motorized pet brush really does shine when it comes to lifting embedded pet hair, even in places where it usually gets stuck, like in fabric or cushions. Using the extendable crevice tool, cleaning narrow spaces was a breeze. Whether I was reaching between my couch cushions or under my car seats, the flexibility made it easy to clean places that are often neglected. One of the best parts of using this vacuum is how comfortable it feels in hand. It's light enough for extended use, and the grip design ensures you won't tire out too quickly. However, there are a few things to note. While the battery life is decent, it doesn't hold up as well in Power Boost mode, which is to be expected when using higher suction. It's ideal for quick cleanups, but if you need to go over larger areas for longer stretches, you may find yourself recharging sooner than you'd like. Also, while the vacuum is compact and portable, it does have a slightly smaller dust bin, so you may need to empty it more often if you're cleaning larger areas or multiple spaces. Now let's look at how the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster stacks up in terms of value. For its price, the vacuum offers strong performance, especially for pet owners. The suction power is more than adequate for smaller jobs and quick cleanups, and the addition of the anti-tangle pet brush makes it a solid choice for anyone dealing with shedding animals. It's also easy to maintain thanks to its washable filters. However, if you're looking for something with longer runtime or heavier duty power, there are other options on the market that might be a better fit for larger homes or more frequent cleaning. In comparison to similar handheld vacuums, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster competes well. Compared to other models like the Dyson V7 Trigger or the Shark Wand Vac, it falls somewhere in the middle. The suction power is on par with mid-range handheld vacuums, and the pet hair removal feature is a definite highlight. However, when it comes to battery life and extended usage, the other models might edge it out slightly. The Dyson V7 Trigger offers more power, but it's also priced higher, and the Shark Wand Vac offers similar portability with a slightly sleeker design. As for build quality, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster feels solid for a handheld vacuum. The plastic used feels durable, and the connections between parts are sturdy. The dust bowl and brush assembly are well designed, making it easy to maintain over time. The motorized pet brush doesn't show signs of wear after several uses, and the extendable crevice tool is built to last. It's clear that while this isn't a heavy-duty model, it's still constructed well enough to withstand regular use. When it comes to customer service, BLACK+DECKER has generally built a solid reputation for handling inquiries and repairs effectively, with quick response times and helpful representatives. While I didn't need to reach out for any issues with this model, it's reassuring to know that customer support is available if needed. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum is a fantastic option for pet owners and those who need a portable, lightweight, and easy-to-use vacuum for small jobs around the house or car. Its powerful suction, especially in power boost mode, along with the motorized pet brush, makes it great for cleaning up pet hair. It's not meant for heavy-duty tasks or large homes, but for quick cleanups and smaller spaces, it's an excellent value. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with all the latest reviews. Have any questions, or do you already own the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Keep your spaces clean and your vacuums ready for action.